Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a Kawaii tomato using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. First take the red color and mold it into a ball shape. Next I took a ball tool and I used its handle part to make 3 dents on the top of the tomato. Moving on to the face, indent a U shape into the red clay for the mouth. Then roll 2 balls of black clay for the eyes. And then 2 smaller balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes. For the cheeks, I used 2 small balls of pink clay and secured them on. Next, we are going to make 6 small green leaves and place them on the top of a tomato. At this point, I added an eye pin so I could make it into a key ring. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Kawaii tomato looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!